championships. Terracross Championship Racing, where they take about 50 of these bad boys and race them. We just did 2 of them down in Southern California that aired on CBS Sports. These are the big boys with the big toys, and they are racing for a cash money purse. Chris Young, first racer on the track. He said it's going to need some more broken parts by the time he's done. Next up on the line, Frasier. Racer coming out of the center. Borrowed the car from his cousin. Said if I break it, I'll buy it. Said the check's already in the mail. By the way, congratulations to Josh. Right here in the arena, this is the man right here. Kind of a Tow truck's there. Yeah, you're good, bro. By the way, this just hit me through the headset. This is cool. I've been. All right, Jeff Biscuit's out of here on the track now. Tim Ellis, Long Beach driver, 85 Jeep with a Chevy engine. so she won't be penalized for that. She would have if she would have hit it when she was going over the dragon back. Just to clarify. On the track now, Ryan Knoll. Ryan Knoll down here in the 1986 Ford Bronco. It's an OJ site. Ooh. Yeah, I cracked an OJ joke. Why not? Believe it or not. And the boys